I am Dr. Jesse, Assistant Professor, Department of Anatomy, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today, we are discussing the remaining part of the knee anatomy, and we will start for menisci. Menisci are fibrocartilaginous in nature, crescent-shaped attached ends to tibia, deepen the articular surface of the tibia, wedge shaped on cross section, outer border thick, convex and fixed and vascular, inner border thin, concave, free and vascular, are nourished by synovial fluid. They are intracapsular and intrasynovial. Menisci and stress distribution, and you can see here if there is menisci and is the stress is distributed all over the tibia, and if there is no meniscus, there is a stress entirely in the central part of the tibia. So this is the difference between if there is menisci or there is not the menisci. The major orientation of collagen fibers in the meniscus is circumferential. Radial fibers and perforating fibers also are present. The circumferential tension in the menisci counteracts this outward or radial force. These hoop forces are transmitted to the tibia through the stronger anterior and posterior attachment of the menisci. Hoop tension is lost when a single radial cut or tear extends to the capsular margin. In terms of load bearing, a single radial cut through the meniscus may be equivalent to meniscectomy. Anatomy of menisci, it has two ends, two border and two surfaces. Flexion and extension take place at the upper surface of the menisci. Rotation occurs between the lower surface of the menisci and tibia. Medial meniscus, it is relatively immobile. It is a she-shaped semicircular fibrocartilaginous disc. Peripheral margins adherent to tibia collateral ligament and more liable to injury. Lateral meniscus, it is more round and circular in shape. The posterior end of the meniscus is attached to the femur through two meniscofemoral ligaments. The tendon of the popliteus and fibrous capsule separated from LCL. Mobility of posterior end is controlled by popliteus and two meniscofemoral ligaments. And we can see here, this is the medial meniscus and this is the lateral meniscus. Function of the menisci, shock absorption. It has ability to absorption the shock, and radius tribute to redistributes forces and spread synovial fluid, minimal effect on stability. On rotation, menisci move with femur, and it has a lateral moves meant to 20 to 24 millimeter, and medial less mobile because it has only the 10 to 15 millimeter moment, and lateral meniscus bears more load. Transverse ligament, it connects the anterior ends of the medial and lateral meniscus, and meniscofemoral ligaments, the anterior meniscofemoral ligaments is attached to lateral aspects of the medial femoral condyle in front of the PCL. The posterior meniscofemoral ligaments is attached posterior to the PCL. Short lateral ligament extends from lateral epicondyle of the femur to medial border of the apex of the fibula. It is a cord-like thickening of capsule deep to LCL, deep in interval between iliotibial band and biceps femoris, surrounded by biceps femoris. Arcuate ligament, its posterior expansion of the short lateral ligament. It extends backward from head of the fibula, arches over the popliteal tendon, and is attaches to posterior border of the intercondylar area of the tibia. Arcuate ligament, fibers oriented in various directions, Y-shaped configuration over popliteus. Medial limb terminates into oblique popliteal ligament. Lateral limb invariable, present is and less distinct. Bursae related to knee joint, 10 bursa related to the knee joints, 4 present anteriorly and 6 present posteriorly. Anterior bursae, supralateral, suprapatellar bursa, prepatellar bursa, superficial infrapatellar bursa, deep infrapatellar bursa. Posterior bursae, popliteal bursa, semimembrane bursa, tendon of insertion of biceps femoris, a serine bursa beneath the origin of lateral head of the gastrocnemius muscles and beneath the origin of medial head of the gastrocnemius muscles. So you can see here that all the bursa are situated around the knee. So we can see here in this picture clearly, and rest of the part we will cover in the next video. Thank you.